In today's video, let me show you how to open a CIMB Bank Philippines account. Now, if this is your first time trying to create an account of CIMB Bank, all you need to do is install the CIMB Bank application onto your device. And once the application has been installed, the first thing that you'll be able to see once you start the process of creating your account is you'll need to fill in your phone number along with your email address. Once this step is complete and once you tap on continue, a one-time password would be sent to the phone number that you just entered in. In the next step, it is going to ask you to fill in your information such as your full name, your date of birth, choosing your country, as well as providing your ID. So make sure you have a document with you such as a government verified ID, which could be your passport or your driver's license, or also could be a few other IDs such as your social security system or even your postal ID. Once you fill in and provide your ID as well, you also need to take a video verification selfie. Once all of the account creation process is complete, the last thing that you need to do is create a desired username. So make sure that you create a username that is available within this platform and then simply tap on continue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.